Hi parents, this is Mrs. Boss. I am a third grade teacher. I'm going to walk you through how to access Canvas and get on Zoom for our first day of school, which will be on Thursday, August 13th at 8 o'clock a.m. When you log on to your child's computer, you should see an icon that looks like this. It should say McKinney ISD SSO. If you do not see that icon, usually it's over in the right-hand corner of the screen, you can go to the internet browser and type in sso.mckinneyisd.net, and that will allow your child to log in with S and their number, and then their password is their 8-digit birth date. Once your child clicks on SSO, they should see something similar to this. They should be able to see their Google Drive, Google Classroom. The one thing we're looking for to get started is Canvas. So once your child logs onto Canvas, your child should see their dashboard. So right here you can make sure your student's in their dashboard. What they should see is if they are in Miss Boss's class, they would click Miss Boss's class. If they are in Miss Lindsay's class, they would click Miss Lindsay, and so forth. So find your student's teacher. When you click into that teacher's course, you should see a grid that looks like this. You'll see daily learning, teacher info, student resources and passwords, our daily schedule. Attendance, grades, and expectations will be uploaded soon. Our third grade website is easily accessible here. We will post newsletters in this box, and then our Zoom link is right here. So on Thursday at 8 a.m., students can come into Canvas, click the Zoom link, and we will get on together. I'm going to show you what it'll look like in student view really quick. So when your student's in here, they'll go to Zoom first. We'll get on together. In order to access your students' daily learning, days of the week, here is what your students should see. They will see morning meeting, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And underneath each day will be assignments that they click on. So for Monday, they would click on one of the slides, and it'll take them through the entire slide from reading, writing, math, science, social studies, and spelling. And once we go through there, sometimes there will be activities underneath. That's part of their asynchronous times that they will click on. When your child gets on to the learning, there is something that you can do. If I had Zoom open, I'm going to show you really quickly. I'm going to have my camera off, but if this was Zoom, if you kind of scooch your screen towards the right and drag it over here, you can actually, and then make your screen smaller here, you can access Zoom and the slides at the same time. So if your child has trouble following along by just listening and they need to see what we're doing, they can click on the lesson under the day of the week, and they can actually follow along while listening to me on Zoom live. Canvas is where everything is going to be Canvas is going to be where you will find everything. So back on your student's dashboard, oh, I'm still in student view. Back on your student's dashboard, you'll see even teacher info. This is all about Miss Boss. It'll load. When student resources and passwords, this may be something you'll need to access. If we ask students to go get on a Brain Pop Junior video, here is the login and password for that. Discovery Education are some places where we might watch science videos. This is how you access that, and we will give you what we are using, and then here is where you find the passwords. Our virtual daily schedule is right here. Oh, my flash was on. Our third grade website. It has SSO, our schedule, the Walker website, any math, reading, or science links. We will house newsletters, calendar of events, and spelling words here once we get started. And then of course we have our Zoom link. So that is where we need to start. If you have any questions about how to access Canvas, Zoom, how to do any of the assignments, please let your homeroom teacher know. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.